It's a very new bull.
New bull, young bull.
Yeah, young bull. So they come over here to just to eat the grass. Yeah, grass and to put the water. They are water buffalo, no? So they have a heat, no? So they come to put in the water.
It both maybe message flow, no?
So what happens is the bull goes inside the water. They try to get animal. Once they are in the water, they are like little bit aggressive in the water. So they want to get in the water. They don't want anybody to disturb them. Sometimes somebody comes with a stick to disturb them.
Basically, they don't want to come out.
हाँ कोई मान ले
Eating on water.
और बीना और डेयरिंग हाँ अबे What the?
खबर मिळली बोयलान कोण बिगलाचे कोण मनशाची तो माल मागीर आमी गेल्ले थिंगा हॉस्पिटलान तुमकां एक्सपायर्ड जालें सांगपा लागले मागीर आतां पुलीस बाय सायड पंचानामो बी कोताले आनी तो बोयल वचून ते आतां वताय केला
What exactly is the issue?
We've received this information regarding one person being attacked by bull. And when I reached here, I've been informed that the body has been already shifted to the morgue. So basically, it looks like while he had got the bull for grazing, it might have attacked him, and he was found lying in the water here. You can see the place around. So let's see, so we have registered a case of unnatural death.
Pure accident.
Yes.